Good morning student, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. In last video we were discussing how to find LCM using prime factorization method and we had solved some question from exercise 5.3. Today also we will continue with this exercise. So here we have question number 1, 7, 32, 36 and 40 and we have to find out LCM using prime factorization method. Okay, so first we need to prime factorize 32, 36 and 40. Okay, so all are even numbers, so easily we can divide by 2. So let's divide. So first we will divide by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 1 left, 1 2 12, 2 6 ja 12. Okay, now again we can divide by 2. This 16, 2 8 ja 16. Again we will take 2, 2 4 ja 8. Again we can take 2, 2 2 ja 4. Again 2 1 ja 2. Clear? So this is the prime factorization of 32. Now we will factorize 36. Okay, this also even number, so easily we can divide by 2. So 2 1 ja 2, 1 left, 1 6 16, 2 8 ja 16. Okay, now divide by 2. 2 9 ja 18. Now this we cannot divide by 2, so we will take next prime number, and next prime number we have 3, and by 3 easily we can divide. Okay, so 3 3 ja 9. Again we will take 3, 3 1 ja 3. This is the prime factorization of 36. Now we will divide 40. 2 2 ja 4, that means 20 time. Again by 2, 10 time. Again by 2, 5 time. Now we will take 5. Okay, 5 1 ja 5. Clear? So now what we have to write? We have to write prime factors of given number. Okay, so here you can see 32 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 40 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, 36 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now we have to see what are the prime numbers here we have. So we have 2, 5 and 3. Okay, so we have the prime number 2, 5 and 3. Okay, now we have to see maximum number of 2, maximum number of 5, maximum number of 3. Okay, that means 2 maximum how many times came here, 5 maximum how many times came, and 3 maximum how many times came. Okay, understood? So let's check. 2 here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 time came. Here 1 2 3 time came. Here 1 2 time came. So we will take 5 time 2 because maximum number of 2 is 5. Clear? So 1 2 3 4 5. 5 time 2 here you can see 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now we will check 3. Okay, so here we don't have 3, here also we don't have 3, and here we have 2 time 1 2 3 into 3. So we will take 2 time. Okay, because maximum number of 3 we got here 2 time. Okay, now we will check 5. So here we have 1 time, here we don't have, and here also we don't have. So maximum number we got 1 time. So we will write here 1 time. Now when we multiply this part, we will get 1440. Okay, 1440. This is the LCM of 32, 36 and 40. Clear to you? Now we have 15, 20, 25 and 30. This is question number 8. Okay, 15, 20, 25 and 30. So 15 is not an even number, so we cannot divide by 2. So we will take next prime number, and next prime number we have 3. Now divide 3 5 ja 15. Now it will go by 5, 5 1 ja 5. Okay, this we can divide by 2. 2 10 ja 20, again by 2, 2 5 ja 10. Now we will take 5, 5 1 ja 5. Okay, this we cannot divide by 2 or and 3, so we will take 5, 5 5 ja 25. Now we will divide by 5, 5 1 ja 5. Okay, so this we can divide by 2 15 times. Okay, now this we cannot divide by 2, so we will take next prime number 3, 3 5 ja 15. Now by 5, 5 1 ja 5. This is the prime factorization of 15, 20, 25 and 30. Okay, now you can see 15 equal to 3 into 5, 20 equal to 2 into 2 into 5, prime factors of 20. Then prime factors of 25, 5 into 5, 30 equal to 2 into 3 into 5. Now we have to check what are the prime numbers here we have. Okay, so we have 3, 5, then 2, then 3 already came, 5 also already came. Okay, so we got here 3, 5 and 2. Okay, now we need to see the maximum number of 3, maximum number of 5 and maximum number of 2. Okay, so first check maximum number of 2. Okay, so here we have 2 time, here we don't have, here also we don't have, and here we have 1 time. So we got maximum number of 2 time. Here you can see 1 2. So we will write 2 into 2, 2 time we will write 2, maximum number of 2 we will write here, as you can see 2 time. Then we will check 3. Here we have 1 time, here we don't have, here also we don't have, here we have 1 time. Okay, so we got maximum number of 3 1 time. Okay, so we will write here 1 time. Clear? Now we will check 5. So here we have 1 time, here also we have 1 time, here we have 2 time, and here we have 1 time. So the maximum number we got 2 time. Okay, so we will take 2 time 5. Clear? Now we have to multiply this. When we multiply, we will get 300. Okay, this is the LCM of 15, 20, 25 and 30. Understood? Clear to you? Now we have very important method, division method. Okay, why it is very important? Because most of the time we use this method to find LCM. Okay, now let me read out the step. What are the steps we have to follow to find LCM? After that I'll give you one example. Okay, so step number 1, we arrange the given number in a line in any order. Okay, order can be changed, but all together we have to write all the given number. Okay, now step number 2, divide by a number which divides exactly at least 2 of the given numbers and carry forward the numbers which are not divisible. In this, at least 2 numbers should be divisible. Okay, in HCF we had learned all should be divisible, but this is not with the LCM. Here at least 2 number should be divisible. Okay, now step number 3, repeat the above process till no 2 of the number are divisible by same number other than 1. Step number 4, LCM is the given number is the product of divisor and undivided number. Product of divisor and undivided number. Okay, now let me give you one example and you try to understand the concept of division method. Now here we have question number 5 from question number 2. 40, 50 and 60. We have to find LCM using division method. Okay, so you can see like this we have to arrange. Okay, we have to write all together. Order can be changed, that means 50 we can write here also and 40 we can write here also. Okay, so all are even numbers, we can divide by 2. So first we will take 2 here. Okay, now divide. 2 2s are 4 and 0 as it is you write. Now 2 2s are 4, 1 left, 1 0 10, 2 5s are 10. Okay, now 2 3s are 6, 0 as it is you write. Now here you can see 20 and 30 we can divide by 2, but 25 we cannot divide by 2. As it is mentioned in the step, at least two numbers should be divisible. So we will take 2 because 2 is dividing two numbers at least. Okay. 20 and 30 we can divide by 2. Now divide 2 1 2, 0 as it is. 25 we cannot divide by 2. So as it is we have to write this 25 here. Okay. Now this one 15 times. Okay. Now 10 we can divide by 2, but 25 and 15 we cannot. Okay. So we will go for next number. And next number we have 3. By 3 also we cannot divide. So we'll go for next number, and the next number we have 5. Okay. Now we will divide by 5. 5 2 is 10, 5 5 is 25, and 5 3 is 50. Okay. Now we don't have any number which divide at least two number from the list. Okay. Understood? So we will stop here. Now we will write the LCM. So LCM equal to divisor into, or we can say product of divisor and undivided number. Okay. So this is the divisor and this is undivided number. Okay. So we will write here 2 into 2 into 5, this is divisor part, into 2 into 5 into 3. Now when we multiply, we'll get 600. This is the LCM of 40, 50 and 60. Okay, so this is how we can use division method. Clear? Now let me give you one more example. So here we have question number 6, 72, 84 and 90. Okay, so all are even number, so we will divide by 2. 2 3 is 6, 2 6 is 12, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8 and 2 5 is 10. Okay. Now you can see 36 and 42 we can divide by 2, but 45 we cannot divide. So as it is mentioned in the step, at least two number should be divisible. Okay. So 2 we can by 2 we can divide two numbers. We will take 2 here. Okay. 18 times. This one 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2. Now 45 we cannot divide, so write here as it is. Okay. Now by 2 we cannot divide, so now we will take 3. 3 6 is 18, 3 7 is 21. Now 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. Okay. Now here you can see by 3, 6 and 15 we can divide, but 7 we cannot. But two number we can divide by 3, so we will take 3. 3 2 is 6. Now 7 write as it is. Now 3 5 is 15. Now we don't have any number which divide at least two number. Okay. So now we will write LCM. LCM equal to divisor, that means 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, and undivided number 2 into 7 into 5, 2 into 7 into 5. So LCM equal to product of divisor and undivided number. Okay. So here you can see when we multiply, we'll get 2520. This is the answer, or this is the LCM of 72, 84, 90 and 90. Okay. Clear to you? So children, today whatever I have discussed with you, I hope each and everything is clear to you. Thank you.